Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make powdered sugar for funnel cake without a blender. First, you will need just two simple ingredients: regular granulated sugar and a small amount of cornstarch. The cornstarch is key. It helps prevent the powdered sugar from clumping together and gives it that wonderfully smooth texture we all love. Make sure your granulated sugar is completely dry before you begin this easy process. Now let's get to the fun part, grinding the sugar. The most effective tool for this method is a mortar and pestle. Place about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar into the mortar. Begin to grind with a steady, circular motion, applying firm pressure. This action breaks down the larger sugar crystals into a fine powder. Work in small batches to ensure an even consistency. Once your sugar is finely ground, it's time to add the cornstarch. For every 1 cup of granulated sugar you started with, incorporate about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it well with a spoon to distribute it evenly. Then, sift the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any remaining larger sugar crystals and ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free powdered sugar, ideal for your funnel cake. And there you have it. Perfectly smooth, homemade powdered sugar, ready to elevate your funnel cake experience. This easy method yields a beautiful, fine powder without needing any special equipment like a blender. Store your freshly made powdered sugar in an airtight container to keep it fresh for several weeks. Sprinkle it generously over warm funnel cakes for that classic, delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.